Welcome to X-Rays. Today we're going to see how digestion occurs in human beings. We take in food, mouth, digest and utilize it. The food passes through a long muscular canal called alimentary canal or digestive tract, which begins at the buccal cavity and ends at the anus. Now, the alimentary canal consists of the buccal cavity, oesophagus, or you call it food pipe, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, and anus. Also, various glands helps in the process of digestion. Salivary gland, liver is the largest of all the glands, and pancreas, mouth and buccal cavity. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. Human being takes the food through their mouth. The buccal cavity contains teeth, tongue, and salivary gland. The teeth break the food into small pieces, chew, and grind it. Chewing mixes the small pieces of food with saliva. This process is called mastication. Teeth are of four types: incisors or the cutting teeth, canines, the tearing teeth, molars and premolars, the grinding teeth. Action of saliva on food. After the food particles are broken into smaller pieces, they have to be mixed with some liquid called saliva. The salivary gland produces saliva. The saliva contains an enzyme called amylase that breaks down the straw, a common duct. The wall of the small intestine also secretes digestive juice called intestinal juice. Liver. It is the largest gland in the body and is reddish brown in color. It secretes bile juice, which is stored in a sac called the gallbladder. Bile juice helps in the digestion of fats. Fats are present as big droplets in the food, because of which they cannot be digested easily. Bile juice breaks these big droplets. Pancreas. It is a large cream-colored gland located just below the stomach. It secretes pancreatic juice and releases it into the intestine. The pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrates and proteins and sends them into simpler form. Pancreas also secretes insulin, which regulates the blood sugar level of the body. Digestion, which starts in the mouth, is completed in the small intestine. The enzymes in the intestinal juice act upon the partially digested food and convert it into simple soluble substances. As a result, the carbohydrates gets broken into glucose, the fats get broken into fatty acids and glycerol, the proteins get broken into amino acids. The process of absorption occurs in the small intestine. The inner walls of the small intestine has millions of figure-like projections called villi. Each villus has a network of thin and small blood vessels called capillaries close to its surface. These villi give the inner walls of the small intestine a very large surface area for the absorption of digested food. The surface of the villi absorbs digested food materials and passes them to the fine blood capillaries. The absorbed food is carried to all the cells of the body by the blood. This food is utilized by the cells to release energy. Blood carries the absorbed food from the small intestine to different organs of the body where it is used for growth and repair of body tissues. This process is known as assimilation. The food that remains undigested enters into the large intestine. Large intestine is about 1.5 meters in length. And it has two parts, colon the upper part and rectum the lower part. Colon absorbs water and some salts from the undigested food. Due to this, the undigested food becomes dry and almost semi-solid. This is known as feces and is stored in the rectum. Feces is passed out of the body through the anus, and this process is called digestion. That's all for nutrition in human beings. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video.